Welcome everyone. I hope you were all tempted by looking at the sneak peek video. Today I'll show you how to make the beetroot vada. You can hear how crispy it is. To make this, add 1 cup of Pea Dhal, Vadai Parupu. You can also substitute with Channa Dal or Kadalai Parupu. Add water, 3 dried red chillies and soak for 2 to 3 hours. Drain the water after 3 hours and I have washed it very well. We are going to grind this dal in 2 batches. First take half of the soaked dal. Add 2 green chillies, ½ inch ginger, and I'm going to grind this into a smooth paste without adding any water. Now I'm going to add the remaining dal to the same blender and make this into a coarse paste with 1 teaspoon salt so it can mix well with the dal. To the ground paste, I'm adding 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, our star of the recipe, 1 beetroot grated, then finely chopped coriander leaves, then just half onion finely chopped. Then I'm going to add some coriander stem. This gives a very nice flavor, so do not throw away those coriander stem. Please use them. 1/4 teaspoon salt and ½ teaspoon Hing, Asafoetida, Perunkaayam. Now I'm going to mix this all together and make it a thick paste which we will use to make the vadas. So we have the vada mixture ready. In a pan, I'm heating oil for frying the vadas. To make the vadas, take a small portion of the mixture and grease your hands with some oil and tap them with your fingers. Make a small hole and immerse into the oil slowly. Be careful so that the oil doesn't drop on your hands. Check the thickness of the vada when you're making. Don't make it too thick and not too thin also. Cook the vadas in medium heat so they are well done inside also and crispy on the outside. After 5 minutes, turn sides and fry them for another 5 minutes. When the oil stops bubbling, then you can take the vadas off the heat. I have a bowl here with kitchen towel to absorb the excess oil from the vadas. The sweetness of the beetroot, the spice from the chilies, the coriander leaves, stem and cumin seeds, all of this will bring a burst of flavors in your mouth. Enjoy these crispy and flavorful vadas. Thanks for watching.